Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve 2 plus 2 divided 2 plus 2 is what? Options are 1, 5, 3, none. So let's start with today's video solution. So many people do mistake that they are solved with 2 plus 2, 4, then divided by 2 plus 2 and 2 divided by 4 is 2 plus 2, that is 4, and they tick as none, which is the biggest mistake they make. But there is an operation, there is a rule to solve this. You have to follow either BODMAS rule or PEDMAS rule to solve this type of simplification. BODMAS says that first you have to solve the bracket, then of, division, multiplication, addition, and at last subtraction. And according to PEDMAS, first parenthesis, exponent if given, then division, then multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So here only two operations given, that is division and addition. So we have to give preference to both the rules to division. So 2 plus 2 divide 2 plus 2. 2 divide 2 is 1 plus 2. Now simply add them. So you get 5, which is option number B. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming video.